Hey guys, Tyler Cassidy, Matt Clears behind the camera here at Central Iowa Farm Store in Marshalltown. We want to talk about Aaron's and Gravely's newest release for the 2026 mowing season. Hey look, we all made mistakes before. Gravely came out with a unit a couple years ago that just wasn't quite what the old models were. Well, guess what? They went right back to their safe and they got the blueprints to their older units. And guess what I'm sitting on? I'm sitting on the brand new 2026 Gravely 260. That's right. You heard it. They brought the 260 back. The same chassis as the 260 or the 200s and the 400s. This is a bulletproof machine. Hydro gear hydros. This is reasonably priced for all buyers. Acreage, commercial, all alike. They're all the same. Great Kawasaki engine behind it. Nice suspension seat. 60-inch deck on this particular unit. Come out to Central Iowa Farm Store. Check it all out today. Get yourself, we brought in a whole boatload of these, and I'm talking a boatload because we knew y'all being interested. Come out today.